Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create batch payments using TFY's Contractor Management System. To access the batch payment section, navigate to the menu on the left-hand side and select Upload Batch File. TFY provides a downloadable template in CSV format, which requires you to input essential details about your contractors, such as their names, pay rates, country, currency, amount, and the due date of payment. The document should specify the payment method for the contractor, tax registration or VAT details, and entity type. Most of this information is already available to you and simply needs to be formatted according to our template. Once your template is prepared, save it in CSV format and proceed by clicking here to upload. After doing so, you will need to upload the template you have just saved in the CSV format. By selecting this checkbox, the system will automatically email a self-generated invoice to your contractor. Proceed by selecting Continue to successfully upload your CSV template. Upon proceeding, all contractor names, details, email addresses, and payment information, including payment dates, amounts, and currencies, are efficiently imported by the system. This system efficiently manages payments in various currencies, allowing you to compensate all contractors seamlessly with a single upload. You have the flexibility to adjust any fields as needed. For instance, if a payment should be $2,000 instead of $200, you can easily make those corrections. If payment needs to be processed in a different currency, you can easily make that adjustment within this interface. This platform offers flexibility right at your fingertips. If someone has been mistakenly included for payment, simply select the Delete option to remove their payment record. We will proceed to initiate the payment. Once completed, all payments will be categorized under the Created Payment section. Each unique currency type is organized under a distinct batch ID, with the control sum for each currency clearly displayed. You will have the option to either approve or reject payments. If a name was mistakenly approved in the previous section, you can now address this issue. For instance, if a contractor is not meant to receive payment, you can reject it. For all other payments, proceed to approve them. As we proceed with approving these payments, they will transition to the Processed Payment section, where we can monitor their status and associated amounts. We have now completed the approvals, so let's move to the Processed Payment section. Here, you can clearly see both the payments we have approved and those we have rejected. The status has been updated to reviewed. This indicates that your team has thoroughly examined the payment details, including the currency, amount, and payment provider information, and has given approval. Upon receipt of the payment by TFY, the funds will be transferred to the contractor's account, and the status will then be updated to paid. I hope this has been useful. Thank you.